Hello, hello, hello. Did you know leeks can be used like vegetable, like the base of your sauce? Leeks? I just discovered that. I see people put a little bit of leeks in their food, and I'm just asking myself, what if it actually tastes very nice? What if we add more? So I decided to do my salmon fish with leeks. And I bet you're gonna love it. You are going to love it. So now let's go to our video. So here we have our salmon. We already cut the first one. We have our fillet here, salmon fillet. We're putting our black pepper. Oh, that shaker is not giving that much. Now we're putting salt. So basically we're just going to put salt and black pepper to our fish. We just want to fry it. Yeah. Let's cut it into pieces. We're cutting our tomato. We don't really want to cut it tiny because we don't want the tomato to disappear. Since we are not using much tomato, we just cut it in bigger halves so that at least the few ones that are in our soup will be showing. Then we need onions too. You'll see very well, I don't really cut my vegetables small. Yeah, we're just going to chop our onion like this in a more bigger form, and we'll definitely need more onions. So in this video I actually chopped 2.5 onions, and the tomato we had just 4 tomatoes. Bell pepper, we had 2 bell peppers. Garlic is always present. There is no food without garlic. If garlic is curing something, then probably I'm not sick of it. And garlic is very healthy. Not only it elevates your food, but it also gives it that flavor in the house. If your food smells really good, think if you added garlic inside. If you want your house to be smelling like bomb when you're cooking, try cooking it with garlic and ginger. Try it and come to the comment section and tell me what you discovered. So we're smashing our garlic. We're doing stir fry. We're going to stir fry our vegetable. And this is...
Let's share this apple.
Leeks.
Yummy, no waste.
We already pulled it out. We washed
good.
it. So now we're just chopping it. Pull it out one by one to wash it. Leeks has so much dirt. You need to wash it carefully and well with enough water.
Let's share this apple.
Running
Yummy,
water.
no waste.
Yeah.
Good.
And leeks today is the star of the day. So for this video, we're going to chop 4 leeks. This is our pan with vegetable oil inside. And we're just frying our salmon. Now let's fix this one. And you don't want to fry it too much. A little bit brown, and then you flip it. Because you still want your nice tender fish. See? We didn't fry it for long. No, we don't want it dry. We don't want it. We just want it to cook a little bit. Yeah, check out the color. Yeah, that's perfect. Now we just flip it. Now we are all done. Now we leave it to fry a little bit. We are just checking with our fork to see if it's sticking. Yeah, you can just help pull it a little bit like that, because the other side doesn't have skin, so it can stick at time, especially if you don't have a good pan. So you just help with your fork to remove it a little bit and let the grease pass on there. And we're done with our fish. Look at it. See, not too fry. Yeah, I think I'm going to pull the other one. I'm going to try to show how it looks down. The color you want. You don't want it to be too cooked. Let's see. Now let's actually show the down part. Yeah, you see the brown that it had, just a little bit, not too much. That's perfect. Look at the back. Look how it tastes. Hey, golden brown. We actually let our oil to cool a little bit before we put the second set. Yeah, because the oil was too hot. If you put your fish there, especially this second fillet doesn't have the skin. If you put your, it's just gonna burn. You don't want that. So if you want to do a second frying, you let your pan to be cold a little bit. Flipping it. Oh, look at that golden black brown. Woohoo! Golden brown. I don't know if this is just for barbecue outside or what. It was so difficult to grip the fish. It wasn't going under the pan well to grip the fish. I thought it would be excellent. It would just be gripping my fish for me, and maybe it's like for bigger slices. Yeah, I don't know. So I had to use the fork again to elevate it and then hold it. But it did work that way. It did work that way. Also helps to keep your hand a little bit far from the splashes of the fish. Yeah, this is how you want it. Perfect. Great. Look at that. Perfect golden brown. It's time to do our vegetable. We're greasing our pan with with a non-stick. This pan is crazy. It sticks so much. So I'm just greasing it with a non-stick oil soap to help. Then I pour the oil from the fish. The oil that we use to fry the fish, that's what we're using to cook our vegetable. So we can still have that flavor. Pour our onions. Here we will not really stir fry. We're just separating. Because we're just going to pour tomato and they'll be cooking together. This is our tomato. And this is what we have. It's looking lovely. Look at that vapor. Let's stir it again. And this is a Leeks, the star of the day. We're actually using it not like a green spice. We're using it here like the vegetable that we are cooking. This is our leek sauce that we're making. We just added bell pepper inside. We mix everything together. The bell pepper, the tomato, they're going to help to release some water to cook it. It's not going to be really stir frying at this point. I think the bell peppers are going to release water, tomatoes are going to release water, and it's going to help cook everything. This is what we have. Ooh, look at the pepper. Garlic, salt, fish seasoning. I'm going to add a little bit of fish seasoning again. Black pepper. And then we stir everything together. It's coming out so good. Look at that. It's already smelling. It's smelling so nice. Just put our fish so you get some of that sauce. Also cook with the sauce to blend everything together. You don't want to keep your fish apart. It will just be like two separate dishes. If you really want them to melt together, that's how you want to do it. But if you don't care for that, you can leave your fish by the side. But I bet you doing this, you're elevating your leek sauce. You are elevating it. Let's continue putting your fish, making sure we have some legs covering it, some of our sauce covering it. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And for those of you that have already subscribed to the channel, thank you very much. Thank you for being so faithful. Thank you for being so supportive. Thank you very much for watching, commenting, and sharing, and liking. Thank you so much. Normally at this stage, you can add a little bit of water and then close it. But nope, I want mine to be dry, so I'm not going to add any water. I can add a little bit of oil. Yeah, I think I'm just going to pour the remaining oil inside. Yum yum. Cover it. Can just cover it for 3 minutes and then we open it. Just for everything to blend together. Oh, smelling nice. You can eat it with rice, you can eat it with fried plantain, you can eat it with bread. I'm just gonna eat it with bread. Look at that. This is our end product, guys. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next video.